Right, let's talk engagement and interacting with people. So first one up, surveys. So sending out, having a place where you can integrate your Zoho survey, seeing if people fill it out. They may give you more information on what they need. If you send it to everybody, you can create products from your surveys. But you're also going to be able to tell which leads have filled something out, can't you? Which leads actually clicked and helped you out. And we're going to get to lead scoring in a minute. Again, with events, create exclusive events, promote via campaigns, and analyze reports. So creating Zoho Backstage private events for these people that are in your leads or for things that are going off like that. Webinars, creating Zoho Meeting, a webinar, send it out to your leads, track who's gone and signed up for it. E-commerce, link it to your e-commerce websites, your Shopify's, your WooCommerces, your things like that. Collect like your online store and manage your products, customers, and carts from here. Create promotional campaigns and send it to your customers. Recover sales from abandoned carts. So really cool being able to do a lot more on your e-commerce side right from here. Email signature. So putting a little funky signature in the bottom of your emails. Create a common email signature for employees or organizations. Create a campaign, attach it to the signature. Share the signature with employees who would engage leads through email. Whenever employees converse one-to-one with your leads, the campaign attached to the email signatures are sure to engage them. So you can work out from that signature who's clicking on it and specifying what type of campaign to send out to them as well. So it's really cool adding an email signature. If it comes across, they don't always format properly, do they? Smart URLs, I'm interested in this because I do a lot of this stuff myself. Using Smart URL, you can brand and customize your shortened links. Set expiry and password locks for shortened links, so you can say, here's a discount, but it's only going to work for 24 hours. Here's a link, see who's clicked it. You will see on this video in the bottom, one of the bottom corners, down here or down here, it'll say pnuk.co/Z1 trial or pnuk.co marketing hub or something like that. I'm not sure what I'm going to put yet, but definitely Z1 trial will be there. No, it won't, because I'll put z1trial.com. But these are shortened URLs that I give to people. If someone says to me, where's your Zoho training? I'll say pnuk.co/ZCRM, something like that. And I can see who's clicked on it. And it's an easy way to track a short, look at like a little short URL. So it's going to be cool to see when this is working, when I've got it working, when I've got my test site up and working, to show you that this is a real cool feature. And it's good that they've put it inside here, because you will be thinking of using something like Bitly. So if you use Bitly or something like that on your links or your social media, you can now go and buy your own little short URL and start using your own. So that's really cool. Email campaigns, obviously setting up email campaigns and making them target specific and doing everything that comes with email targeting and email automation and stuff like that. People still know that emailing is one of the best ways to engage and get people to do what you want if they're on your email list, right? Because they want to hear from you. Social media campaigns, page campaigns or post campaigns, so you can run it via the whole page, or you can do different specific ads on Facebook, or I think this is Facebook. I think it does Instagram and Twitter as well. But I'll have to test it before I can say it definitely does. But this says Facebook here, and this is a wider audience. And again, there'll be some sort of link that's trackable, that can see where they come to your website, what they do when they get there, and all that stuff, right? So this is going to be managing your social campaigns. SMS campaigns, really cool. Create SMS messages and send them to your list. I always think it's funky when you get SMS messages from companies, but a lot of people ask for this. A lot of people say we want to be able to text our customers. We want to be able to text prospective customers. And are you going to be able to do it? And reports. Obviously reports. So there's lots of different ways. There's going to be lots of engagement, lots of data, lots of ways to tunnel in and see who clicked what, where they clicked it, and all things like that.